What's cooking, Connor? Hi, I'm Amy, and welcome to Cooking with Culinary, KTIG special cooking show.
And I'm Owen, your other host. Today we have chefs Patrick and Jackie from Culinary here to share with us a quick and easy recipe. We'll be showing you how to make shrimp tacos with mango salsa, and at the end we'll be playing a game. So stay tuned for today's episode of Cooking with Culinary.
So let's get started with today's recipe. So could y'all start by showing us the ingredients?
Okay, so the ingredients we have for today are shrimp for our shrimp tacos. We have our flour corn tortillas, and then we have some tomatoes, some peppers, and some cilantro.
We have lettuce, mangoes, avocados, onions, and then some cheese.
Let's get started with the first step.
Okay, so the first step of this recipe is we're gonna cook our shrimp in some sauce. So the sauce we're using for today is some House of Tang stir fry sauce. So we're gonna open that up. Patrick, how do you like your shrimp?
You know, I don't eat shrimp that often. I could be allergic. I'm not sure.
Oh,
wow.
So, I'm about to test today. We'll find out.
We're gonna figure that out. So we're just gonna pour a good amount in that shrimp, and we're gonna stir it a little bit, and we're gonna let that start cooking while Patrick starts dicing up our vegetables.
Jackie, how high heat is your thing at right now?
Medium.
Awesome.
Yes, we have it on medium heat right now. So we're gonna get that fully incorporated into all the shrimp while Patrick starts cutting up the avocado.
How y'all
You
doing
want to
today?
take the tag off?
I'm good, how are y'all?
I'm doing great, you know.
How are you feeling about these shrimp tacos?
I'm excited. This sauce kind of smells like...
Are y'all shrimp
Kinda
people?
scared.
Yes, I love shrimp.
Really?
Yeah, I like
Yeah,
shrimp,
like
Y'all
grilled shrimp is
nice.
like top
I feel
3
like I've never
foods
really
for me.
messed with shrimp like that.
Do you like shrimp?
Personally, no, I don't eat shrimp that often.
How do you feel about avocados, guys? Good. That's good.
Y'all like avocados?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
All right, so you're making the mango sauce, right?
Yeah, basically
Yes.
we're just chopping.
It smells good.
We're basically just chopping everything up into small pieces so we can all get it on the heat. It's gonna it's gonna go from big to small, all into a liquid form. It's gonna be great.
Here, Amy, you want to take the tag off then?
Yes.
Yep, make sure you take off the tags of your fruits.
Yeah.
All right.
Let me show you
Right here.
with the tomato.
I'm kind of scared.
So we're gonna get our
Wait,
tomato. We're gonna cut off
No.
the top end.
Potato.
Tomato. Patrick's gonna show you how to cut an onion. So first you
That'd be
go
great.
inwards halfway through the onion.
Yeah. Even though this knife is sharp, it's still really hard. It's like onions are kind of wet, so it really gets stuck in there.
So we got our tomatoes diced over here,
So really
and now
hold
we're
it
gonna
down.
move on to our peppers. Do y'all like spice in your food?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm gonna dice these.
Don't question how I'm holding this.
That's why you work at a bakery, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't make you cut things at Montgomery Bakehouse?
No. I'm just a cashier. All right. Well, this is looking really great. Make sure to stay tuned to see what's next right after this quick break.
Hey, you heard we have to start wearing those IDs now?
Yeah, this is so dumb. I'm not wearing those.
Well, it's just so the staff can identify who you are, man.
Oh,
Where's your IDs?
oh, I don't have one.
Scan the QR code.
All right, welcome back. Now that we had a little break, let's finish this recipe.
So we're gonna cut our mangoes right now. Can you hand me that?
Yeah.
So
All
we're
right,
gonna
got
cut
this
them in
one.
half.
Oh, yeah.
I move that out of the way. Let me collect our trash really
We're
quick.
gonna go around.
Yeah.
That's
Put a little trash ball.
Do you like mango?
All
Don't
right.
peel it?
Perfect. Now
But you
we.
can peel it if you want.
Nah, Amy, you
No.
you better fix this in post, Amy.
All right.
Okay, what else do we have to do? Like put in the sauce?
So for the sauce, we're gonna add a little bit of all
You can't
of
really
our
peel the skin off very well.
vegetables. So we're gonna turn on our heat on to medium. So put that on medium. And then we're gonna start letting it melt. There you go. We just gotta wait for that to start slowly cooking. While we do that, we're gonna put our shrimp into a bowl. Can you pass me a bowl?
Very large chunks of mango.
It's gonna be fun, though.
So let's put that in there. So we're gonna switch out our pan for another one, less charred. Excuse me. Then we're gonna start heating up our tortillas.
Here. I'll detail the shrimp.
Yes, if you want. Yep, there's your shrimp that we tossed in some sauce. So
detail this.
we're gonna open this. Oh, let's find that tab. We're gonna heat up our tortillas on, let's say, medium heat. So let's turn that on. Patrick's gonna stir in that. So as we're stirring, we're gonna go to our garnishes we're gonna put around our plate. So let's dice up the cilantro.
All right.
A little bit more of our sauce in there. It's gonna add some flavor and also help it cook on the inside better. Capture some heat inside the pan.
All right.
Cilantro is a very strong taste. So a
All
little
right.
goes a long way.
The shrimp have been detailed.
Wow, good job, Owen.
Here, I'll just leave it over here.
Good job.
So what are
My
y'all
hands
doing
are
right
awesome. Well, we're about to chop up this lettuce.
We're about to chop our lettuce up, add it to the tacos once we're done. Owen, how's your day been?
My day's
So,
been very good
our
after
tortillas
this
are cooking.
wonderful experience.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
You should.
now? So how long does it take for like the sauce to like?
You see that the mango's starting to get more squishy?
Basically, you just gotta
Yeah,
wait for it to get super soft so we can all squish it down. We're gonna add this on top. It's gonna capture the
Let
heat
it
in there.
steam a little.
And we're gonna actually lower it so it doesn't burn the sauce we put in there.
So we have a tortilla that's cooked.
Hey Jackie, you wanna switch? You wanna cut this lettuce?
Sure.
All right. Jackie, what's the lettuce cutting process?
Personally, I cut off the bottom stem first. Then I cut it in one big half. I save usually the other half for later. Yep. Patrick's gonna continue to flip those tortillas. There he goes.
Looking great. This one's looking pretty good.
That is a lot of onion.
All right, let me see.
Here you go, Amy.
This stuff we're gonna use to garnish on top of our tacos. Garnishing is a big part of the, what's it called, presentation. Because the first thing you do is you eat with your eyes, so if it doesn't look appetizing, you're not gonna eat it.
And so y'all just like smush that into it's like a sauce, basically.
Yes.
Pretty much.
There you go.
Like all the moisture in the fruit and the vegetables and stuff is all gonna kind of condense down. Yeah, flip them over one more time, see how they're doing.
Are you almost done?
Okay, I think this one's good.
Owen's good.
Hey,
Here.
Alright.
There you go.
there we go.
It's fine.
Look how it's looking so
Now
far.
we're chilling.
We got our lettuce and our onion and all that. Okay.
Jackie, you want help?
Help one. Put this.
Yeah,
Do you
add a
wanna
little
do
bit. Everyone gets a little bit.
Just a little bit. Oh my gosh.
It's mushy salsa. It's the,
Yeah, but it's
the
kind of
new
like,
thing.
It's kind of, it's like a fusion dish.
It's a fusion.
Yeah, like
That's
tacos
one
with.
word for it.
Mush.
With mush.
Well, let's taste it.
Let's play and taste this. Here, y'all pick a taco.
All right.
I'll pick
Hey,
this
Jackie,
middle
pass me
one.
down that first one.
There you go. There you go.
Alright.
All right, we better run this.
Oh my gosh, y'all.
Oh.
Let's take a
Alright,
look.
y'all.
Hey,
Gonna, yeah, cheers.
cheers.
Okay.
I just got the sauce. I didn't get the shrimp.
I'm
You
about
could
to be,
taste that spice in
I'm
them.
about to be real, like, I've had worse.
Wow.
Honestly.
Yeah, that's not
That's
bad.
pretty good, yeah.
This actually isn't the, it's not that bad.
It's actually
Honestly, not that bad.
They're pretty good.
Yeah.
It
Okay.
has lots of
Spice.
spice.
That pepper came through really. Okay.
All right. So, well, that was really good. We're gonna take one more quick break, and then we're gonna be playing a game. So stay tuned.
Need some help?
Yeah, I don't understand this.
Good job. Keep up the good work.
Wow, thank you. I couldn't do it without you. Hey, thanks for helping me pass.
Yeah, congrats on graduating.
I couldn't have done it without you.
Welcome back. It's now time for a little game. We'll be playing the tortilla slap game, where we will play a round of rock, paper, scissors, and whoever wins gets to slap the other with a tortilla while having water in her mouth. All right, Patrick and Jackie are up first.
All right, come on, Jackie.
Okay. Let's drink the water.
Sentences.
Okay, sure.
All right, let's
Yeah,
go
let's-
back a little
yeah.
bit. I ain't trying to get wet.
All right.
Girls never spit out that water.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, okay.
That's me and me.
Oh my god.
That is it for today. We hope you enjoyed the show. Make sure to stay tuned to KTIG's YouTube channel for another episode of Cooking with Culinary. And just remember, anyone can cook, just follow the recipe.